want to ask you a question. What is economics? What is economics? Anybody who can define economics? Okay, distribution of scarce resources. Okay, anybody else? Optimum allocation of resources. Good. Anybody else? Optimum allocation of resources. Anybody else? Yes? This is a huge class, this huge number. So you can speak. And speaking is always good because it helps you in interview. Yes? This is what I actually wanted to listen. Production, distribution and consumption of resources. Okay. And anything else? Anybody else? What if I call it a science dealing with money? What if I call it a science dealing with money? What if I call it a science dealing with assets? And what if for some time I get the avatar of Adam Smith and I say it is a science of wealth? What if I tell you all these things? I'll be wrong to a larger extent. Okay, here Adam Smith was criticized. How can you say science of wealth? Then he was to change altogether the definition of wealth. Okay, he elaborated the definition of wealth and brought it to the goods and services. Okay, money, assets and everything. Clear that? So here 3-4 concepts are associated which I will be telling you. Okay.